it's a beautiful thing coming up. We want to not just only grow our hours, we want to grow our subscribers as well. It's Drop a Link Day and our team is ready for you. It's going to be Saturdays for me always. Drop a Link Day with Princess Clitin. People, it's your one and only favorite girl, Princess Clitin, Queen of Hearts and Smiles. And what are we here today? It's a special one. A lot of people have noticed when they get to their 1K subscribers, they kind of get relaxed because you don't really need many more subscribers per se to get a cutoff mark on YouTube, but you still need your watch hours. So people focus so much on their watch hours. I'm guilty. People focus so much on their watch hours and forget about their numbers. So there is a group of 5 that is going to start something on YouTube. This is good. We started the growing of watch hours, and yes, I got monetized. I want to say thanks to Team Bill with Geo. I would always thank them anywhere, talk about them anytime, any day. They supported me from like the really bottom zero, almost zero, to getting monetized just in a couple of months. I really want to thank them. So they're bringing up another project. A couple of team builders are in this project, so I know that it's really going to work because all the projects I've been together with them has worked exceptionally for me. So you want to be a part. It's easy. All you need to do is to get a short video on your channel. I've done a tutorial on my channel how to put your video as a trailer video or a feature video. So you could put it as a trailer video because that will be easier for people to get it. Or it should be the most recent video on your channel. So you should get a very short video between 1 to 2 minutes. Let it not get to right up to 2 minutes. I would rather say a 1-minute video. Everybody who is going to subscribe, who is going to a channel to subscribe, has a little time, as in 1 minute, to be able to watch your video fully and comment on your channel. You don't want to put a long video there. You're not going to be a part of this. You can't participate if your video is more than that length of time I just told you. It's going to be myself, Cli MIls TV. It's going to be Team Ranger 9 something. I'll put them in the description box. Vernes Junk is going to be Just a Racer with 5 of us, and Boss Life Online. So these 5 people are going to do a project. It's called Drop a Link Day. So the day we all are going live, we get to get the first 10 people. We'll write it down in a jotter. You know, you can get a jotter and notepad. We write it down. The first 10 people who come to that live stream get their links dropped at some point. So everybody go subscribe to your channel. This is no joke. It's like we're doing something serious here. So if you're vetoing to the fact that you're going to join this group and you are going to put in your link, get your short video and get subscribers, you should also go to get the people back. And this is what we're doing. I have a video as well on my channel that is talking about where you can go see all your comments, including spammy comments. The truth is, some people actually comment on your video for real, but YouTube for some reason takes it to spam. I don't know why. I've not been able to figure out why, but I've had really genuine comments in my spam section. So yes, you need to go to YouTube Studio and get to see all the comments, even the comments that are held for review, even the comments that are spammy, and you check the comments. You just click on those comments and reply. We will need you to do that while you're in the live stream, because we're going to be giving you time. When we give time for everybody to go watch your video and comment, we'll also need you in that same live stream while we're doing the next person's subscription day, subscription time, or subscription moment. We'll need you as well to go back and do your own subscription for the people. How many people are in that live stream that day? Do it back and come back to us. Truth is, I don't like doing that, but a lot of people will do it. And this time around, because it's a condition for this to work, I am going to do it as well. So if you don't subscribe back to our channels, we are going to time you out of our live streams, and everybody is going to unsubscribe to your channel. So we're not about joking here. This is real. This is serious. So it's a beautiful thing coming up. We want to not just only grow our hours, we want to grow our subscribers as well. It's Drop a Link Day and our team is ready for you. It's going to be Saturdays for me always. Drop a Link Day with Princess Clitin. Cli MIls TV, right? Okay, so I'll be putting the people's links down below in the description box, and I'll pin it in the comment section so that you can go subscribe to their channel, hit the notification bell so you get all their updates. And when you get their updates, it's going to be very, very easy for you to know when they go live. If by chance you forget, it's going to help you to know that, so that we don't only grow our watch hours, we grow our subscribers as well. We want to grow. Are you ready? I am so ready. Let's go! Yay! I always get to say I love you so very much, but God loves you way more. Get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates.